Strong spring snowstorm about to impact most of western Montana. Hello everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurd. Big upper level trough sitting over the region and a lot of potential for some heavy wet snow, especially about 5,000 feet. We have winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. Let's dive into the warning area, and this does include the Butte Blackfoot region up towards Helena, along the Rocky Mountain front spilling over in Little Big Belt Mountains, and this is from 6 p.m. Thursday to midnight on Friday. Mountain passes like Homestake, Elk Park, Boulder Hill, McDonald Pass, Georgetown Lake could easily pick up 6 to 12 plus inches of snow. Valleys could see around 2 to 6 at most, and that does include Butte, and gusts around 35 miles per hour. Now you get outside the warning area, we have advisories, lesser impacts, but still some travel difficulties here for mountain passes. 3 to 6 inches of snow, Bozeman Pass, Norris Hill, Reynolds Pass, Targhee Pass included, Monida, Big Hole Pass, and out towards the Wisdom area, valleys could see around 1 to 3 inches of snow out of this particular storm system. Great moisture, high probability that a lot of us will see a half an inch or more of water content in a mix of rain and snow. But a big area of low pressure. Some of the most intense snow should come tomorrow morning around 6 a.m. and then it begins to fall apart by noon on Friday, and then it just fizzles out by midnight. So Saturday is a transition day, and then another disturbance with some scattered hit and miss rain and snow showers will try and work its way back in by the time we get into Sunday. So widespread snow, a lot of heavy wet snow for mountains and passes. Those higher peaks above 7,000 feet could easily get over a foot of snow, but again, accumulations in the valleys and mountains will bring some challenging travel weather as you head into your Friday. Look at the moisture potential here. A lot of us should see a half an inch to an inch plus of water content in the form of rain and snow as we head into the next 24 to 48 hours. Quick look at the extended forecast for Butte. Again, cool and unsettled for tomorrow. A few hit and miss showers Saturday, a little bit of rain and snow on Sunday. Another storm into Monday and Tuesday before warming and drying by Thursday of next week. And finally for Bozeman, we'll go with a high probability of rain and snow for your Friday, but hit and miss shower Saturday into Sunday. Another chance for some wet weather by Tuesday.